He jumped 3 or 4 times, didn't have the camera on. Made a lot of casts with nothing doing. And I said it felt like a bump, Waited a second or two, dropped it back in there, strip, and it stopped, and wowdy dow dow, what a beautiful fish. Get out my good old trusty measure net. Maybe I don't even need to get him in there. Oh, he is monster brownie. Monster brown trout. Come here, buddy. Alright. Come here, bud. Alright, we're gonna have to net him. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful fish. So you never know what you're going to get. Go out and explore and see what happens. That is a beautiful, beautiful brown. Woo! Alright. I'm going to work him, get some pictures, get him back. Twitching back, let's see what he took. So, I have like a beadhead, Hendrickson on, nymph. And then like partridge and green. And then my Hendo soft tackle off the back end. I'm thinking he took the Hendo. Let me see here. Yeah, he took the Hendo soft tackle. Sweet. It's my first stock fish of the year. All the catches wild trout. Hey there, little buddy. Ooh, he's got a black head. That's pretty cool. I just gotta watch so I don't know where these flies. Nubbers. Look at them nubbers on that guy. I can create my Hendrickson though. I appreciate that, buddy. Ouch! One of those little nubbers stuck me. Thanks, everybody. Ow, man, he got me again. One of his fins is super sharp. Yikes! Alright, that was pretty cool. Fish on. Switch up my dry flies. And make 2 casts and wham. But sadly, I didn't have the camera on. It's a darker bug hatching, mayfly. I think I know what it is, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. Because I don't think I've ever seen one of those here, but... Crushed it. Thanks there, buddy. Oh, look at how cool you are. Right in the schnoz. Oh, there we go. Quick release. Alright, buddy. See ya. Alright, well that worked. Nicely. Happen. So I cast out this Griffith's net. I let it get all the way down to the pole swinging. I start reeling in because I'm going to tie a different fly on, and a fish smacked it. Nothing ever goes according to plan. So he wanted an emerger. That's what he wanted, and that's what he got. Looked like an emerger, I guess. Ay, that's too funny. That's way too funny. A 2-pound test and a 24 Griffith's net being reeled in as fast as can be, and he smacked it. Boy. Nothing ever surprises me. What do we have here? What do we have? I know we have a lot of tippet out, that's for sure. Long leader. Brownie. Come here, buddy. There we go, in the net. Griffith's net right in the corner of his mouth. My goodness. Alright, we gotta get a picture of that because that's just too much to take. Thanks, Mr. Brownie. Alright. I haven't seen it rise for a while, but I'm fairly certain I know what they were taking. They were following the nymphs into the shore as the nymphs were getting to try and hatch. They're following them into the shoreline, eating them. Like, the trout were in, like, honestly, less than 6 inches of water while I'm standing here. Ankle deep water, rooting around the rocks. Kid you not. Picking off the nymphs. I didn't see many of these adults on the water. I don't have one that matches it exactly, but it's close. That's why that one fly earlier worked. It was close, but this one is even closer than that one. We'll see what happens. And there is a squirrel over there. It is a gray squirrel, and he has like a blonde, strawberry blonde tail. I think I got some pictures of him. Alright, battery was dying, so I turned it off because it was beeping. It's talking about the squirrel, and then I made a cast over where that guy came up and was hitting the midge. I hit the Griffith's net twice, and I missed him. I dropped one in there and came up and pummeled it. So I don't know if I'm gonna tell you what fly it is or wait till you guys figure out the nymph. But I'm fairly certain. I mean, it worked. So, all right there, buddy. Over there nibbling all day long. This guy's nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. Alright, let's see here. Look at that fly right in the right. Up, easy, 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 easy. You know. There you go. Easy, easy, bro. Come on, bro. There you go. Come on. You're not even being nice. Dude, it's barbless and you're gonna get off in about a second if you don't stop. There we go. I gotta get some pictures. If he stays on. Soft fish rise. Let's see if we can get something down to him. I don't know what he took. There's nothing. The wind is absolutely brutal. Oh boy, that was awesome. As soon as that fly hit the water, he jumped it. And I hope that was on video. That was awesome take. Holy moly, was that awesome. Cool Gordon. Humble my cool Gordon. Oh, that was beautiful. Hit that water, he was on it. Thank you, Mr. Fishy. Yeah, come here, buddy. Alright, alright, alright. Thanks, buddy. Hey, yo, what are you doing in there? No, 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 no. Come on back. There we go, buddy. Oh, buddy, come on. Alright, just give my fly and you're on your way, bro. It is barbless, so it should come right out, right? Boop. There we go. Just like that, he's gonna be free. Thanks, buddy. Well, I guess you couldn't script it any better than that. Just hope it comes out in video. He absolutely crushed that Quill Gordon. Crushed it. Casting into the wind, a lot of slide. Oh, there's a bug going down. Yeah, my bug looks very close to what's floating down. That's good. I don't know if they're gonna come up again. I don't think they will. But that was pretty neat, though. At the end of the day, and still got fish coming up. And there's really nothing coming off, to be quite honest with you. Got him. Oh, yeah. Get away from the stump. Thank you, Mr. Fishy. It's times like this that it's kind of upsetting. Vin's hurting, so he stayed home today. There we go. Mr. Fishy. Thanks, buddy. Oh, he escaped. That's not good. Come here, buddy. It's a barbless hook, bro. There we go. Barbless hook, buddy. Yeah, there we go. Nice fish. But the fish that they've come up, they have crushed this fly. Quill golden dry. This is a size. Ooh, there was a refusal. Nosed it. It was size 12. I'll tell you what, this rod can cast like I don't know what. It's a St. Croix sole. It's a 9'6" weight, and I'll tell you what, it's a powerhouse. I like it. Got him. Yeah, that was a good take. Oh, stump, stump, stump. Gotta go up. Gotta get out away from that stump. Stump, stump, stump. Stump. See, he should. Oh, man, is he digging. Oh, yes. Get away from that stump. Here we go. Right. Man, days like today are just absolutely beautiful. Because I'll tell you what, early on in the day, it was not easy. And I would dare say this isn't easy. If you don't know what they're taking, you're not catching these fish. It's that simple. That's simple. All right, buddy. Oh, beautiful brownie. Come here, bud. You are pretty. Yeah, look at you. Yeah, look at that guy. That cool Gordon right there. All right, put him back. Take a picture and then put him back. He was big, no joking. Right off the stump. I know I tagged a humongous fish last year with Bob when I was here. In the dark with a blueing olive. And it just started peeling drag. And it got to the stump and that was the end of it. There we go. Up this way, bro. Away from that stump. Oh. Whew. Oh, is he feisty? Heck yeah. What a day. My goodness. What a day. Come here, buddy. They're all smoking that Quill Gordon. There we go, buddy. It came out. That beautiful fish. He's all beat up. Look at that. Think he's been caught before, huh? Thanks, Mr. Brown Trout. Thank you, buddy. Let's get the frog fanny out. You ready to do battle again, baby? Alright, we changed up to a little blueing olive. Let's see if we can bring any more up. Oh, it's about time to head home. We'll see if we get one or two more on a dry fly. Although I don't know if I can cast a small fly with this 6 weight and all this wind without making a mess of things. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, wind died down, thank you. Alright, let's rock and roll, baby. Might be able to pluck one out from the far side. Someone's working over there. I got 2-pound tippet on, so I cannot set the hook like a crazy person. That's for sure. A lot of CDC on this one, make it float. So 2 rises, there's nothing on the water, so I don't know what they came up, but I figured try a little bluing olive. Might work, might not work. It's worth a try, or go home. There are no more Quill Gordons on the water, absolutely none. There were a few floating down, now there's none. And they stopped. But there was 2, there was a bloop out here and a bloop down below. And plus that one fish chasing an emerger. I don't know what he took, but big dude. Alright, where is this guy at? I'd eat it. Just saying. Well, like Ben says, if I was a fish, I wouldn't live long. There's days in here like you got a storm rolling in, just fishing and bluing olive blind. Fish come up and whacking it. I've had days fishing caddis blind, fish come up and whack it, just like today, fishing blind, coming up and hitting that Quill Gordon. There's just a couple on the water and they're looking up. Good. Good for me. It's good to be the only guy at the meadow. Or what I call the meadow. Nobody wants you blowing olive. You are unloved. And I'm having a hard time seeing it. I don't know where it is. It's out there somewhere. I'm sure it's floating here. Got him. That was a very subtle take. Very subtle. And it'd be gentle setting the hook also. With 2-pound test, it doesn't matter how big the fish is. He's pulling, you're pulling, well actually you're ripping. And that just gives you a disconnect, and we don't want that. Come on up here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Get away from that stump. That evil stump. Tell you what, these fish strong. This 6 weight and they're giving me a tussle. Hey buddy, come here. I'm trying to get a picture of my fly. Easy, 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 easy. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so I took the bluing olive off and I put on a floating nymph and cast out, it got crushed. I caught a fish earlier on this today too. Ride's nice in the film. I guess I'm gonna have to tie more of these. This is just one fly that I have, that's it. I got one of these, that's it. Man, these fish are digging. Alright, let's get the net, because last time he popped off. Although this hook's not barbless, I believe. Come here, little buddy. Long handle net. Good thing. There we go, buddy.